Hi, this is Erin from BlossyB. Welcome to my channel. The plan for this video is to unpack some recent orders from Amazon and Kmart, plus a lovely gift from Creative Fabrica and Siser. Stay watching right to the end to see a sneak peek of my next video, where I'll be making some lovely pieces using many of the items unpacked here. So, first cab off the rank, or box off the rank, is this was actually a gift from Creative Fabrica. If you joined at a certain time, they were doing a promotion with Siser, and they would send you some tools. So, and it did come a couple of weeks ago. Set it down and I thought I'll open it and then I didn't. So let's have a little peek. So some advertising, some more advertising. Oh, you're joking. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, I thought it included just tools. Whoa. What? So this is Siser Easy Weed. Heat transfer vinyl. Oh, look at that. I've got white, gold, silver and black in that one. These are their sampler packs. Easy Weed Rainbow Sampler. Oh, that's amazing. I mean, I was going to sign up to Creative Fabrica again anyway. Wow. Okay, so this one is, where are we? Pink, bright red, orange and yellow. And it says there's 4 sheets. So that's amazing. And what was this one? This one is green, royal blue, navy blue and purple. Wow, that is so generous. What an amazing gift. Thank you, Siser and Creative Fabrica. And here are the tools that I actually thought I was getting. So I'll pop that box away. This is what I thought it was. Easy Weeder. I was really keen to see what these are like compared to the Cricut brand, which is pretty much the only. I think I've got a KaiserCraft pokey tool, but apart from that, so made from surgical steel with medical grade anti-static rubber coated grips. All right, so I'm really excited to see what they're like. Wow. Just wow, wow, wow. I had no idea. Obviously, I just don't read what I'm signing up for, but what a surprise. Okay, yay, that was a good start. So that didn't cost me anything, and I don't know if the promotion's still running or not, but that was the Siser promotion on Creative Fabrica. So, let's have a look at this one. Now, this one is from Amazon. I got some, nitrile, chemical resistant disposable gloves, which you just always need. So that's amazing. Commercial grade extra thick and durable. And I got whatever's in this box. I can't remember. Oh, okay, this is interesting. So this is the Istoyo cordless resin mixer ultra. Free your hands, cordless design, multi-purpose tools, specially designed paddles. And I did do quite a bit of research before choosing this one, so I hope that that research has paid off. And yeah, the further my osteoarthritis in my hands develops, the harder it is to do simple things like stirring. So I'm really hoping that that can make a difference to my crafting. And then I also got, in that same order, my first ever resin leveling board. So I have had a few projects lately which I've ended up having to do the old, you know, put a paddle pop stick under one part and another and move it around. I think my workspace is fairly flat, but obviously it can't be. So, oh, and this is the teexpert one. And again, I did quite a bit of research before choosing this. We'll put all of the prices and models and everything in the link below. And yeah, so let's have a look. So it comes with that to just, I suppose, turn the legs, and looks great. I'll have to set it up and see how we go with it. Oh, that's exciting. Nice level working surface. And so then the other thing I've got, I think only resin artists would be able to appreciate this one. Having to sort of just open it on close up for a sec. It is a giant bottle of isopropyl alcohol. I've been buying my isopropyl alcohol for so long in 200 and, oh, that's heavy. Why am I surprised? It's 5 litres. In 500ml quantity. Gosh, it comes in this great big bag. Sorry, it's not very riveting viewing, I know, but I'll slice the top off of it. It's come in a sealed pouch, which is great. Really good. Open the pouch. Oh, some days it doesn't matter how long your fingernails are or how sharp the knife is. You just can't get into things, which is good. You don't really want a package like this leaking in the mail. All right. Let's get this out. Oh, goodness me. There we go. Isopropyl alcohol, 5 litre, 99%, and made in Australia. So that's amazing. So a great big 5 litre container. So I'll be able to decant that and that'll be much cheaper, much more cost effective than buying it by the 250 mils. Hey, well, so far so good. Okay, so the big Kmart box is just a bit big to lift up and open. So one of the things came with its own little label. So Kmart, I don't know, I think Kmart's in the US, I don't know if it's in the UK, and they have their sort of proprietary brand Anko, A-N-K-O. Actually, I'd be really interested if anyone from the UK is watching. Perhaps you could tell me in the comments whether Anko brand has popped up in the UK anywhere. So this is a set of 3 bamboo organisers, which I think are designed to put cotton buds and things like that in for your bathroom, but I thought that they could be super handy to pop, you know, the little swab sticks and toothpicks and things like that into. So they look great. So I'll pop those there, and then we will unpack the big box. So Kmart are part of, I don't know if it's a buying group or a special deal called One Pass, and sorry, just cutting it open. And One Pass, you pay an annual fee, and then they ship to you for free, which is really good. So, as has happened in the past, they've sent me a whole lot of free air, which I can, of course, keep and recycle if I would like. Okay, let's have a look what we've got in here. So I will put all the prices below, but these were on a ridiculous clearance. They're called resin gemstone silicon molds, gemstone and heart-shaped molds, and I've really got no idea what they are, but I thought they could be really good for having next to me when I'm crafting, in case I've got leftovers, and they're only tiny, so we'll see how they go. They had a sandpaper pack for super cheap. They had these resin earring silicone molds for very cheap, but I just noticed that one's got a bit of a bulge in it, so I'll have to investigate that. But I think from memory they were $2, something like that. These are super cute. Some Halloween potion bottle stickers. No mermaids tears though, no bloody mermaids tears, but they look great. I like them a lot. I've got another couple of packets of the Anko Craft resin. I do use this from time to time. My current supplier, Riverart Resin, hasn't been able to help me out with the regular or faster curing resin as yet, so I've had to resort to alternatives just for little jobs. So I just like to have these as a bit of a standby. Super cheap, and it works really well. Now, I haven't used these before, but these are clay transfers, water transfer designs to personalise your polymer clay creations. So you get 6 of the little sheets. So that'll be fun to have a little bit of a play with. And everything else, I think, is pretty much storage. I'll show you an example. I buy so many of these sort of tubs in various sizes, and I use them for mainly with my jewellery making. So I put whatever I'm working on into them, label them, and then, because sometimes I make pieces and I don't finish them, so I can pop them in here. I might have pieces of sticker sets that I want left over, so I pop them in there as well. And they come in all sizes, so they come up from these 250ml, and I'll just show you a bigger one. They also have these 500ml ones, which is a really handy size to store things in as well. Just keeps everything super neat and tidy, and they're so cheap. They are really cheap, and they're stackable, and they're quite hard wearing. So I've got so many of these. I've always been super pleased with them. Oh, I've got one more thing to show you. I'll just dive in. I misspoke. I've got 3 more things. So they've also got these 1 litre food containers. This is more of a lunchbox size, and these are brilliant as well. So, for example, I've got, I have one for my 6000 glue, one for magnets, one for, one for this, one for that. Just again, keeps everything really tidy and neat. And then I bought these bamboo 3-tier shelves, and the idea for these, is that I can just sort of display things on it. Everything that I make, unfortunately at the moment, I just keep them. They just are never ending. They stay with me. So I can put things on these little racks just to save a bit of space. And I found out the other day too that you can even do them this way. So if you've got little narrow things that you've made, they can be quite cute as a shelf for that. So they're just the bamboo 3-tier tray. And then the last thing, I've never bought anything like this in my life before. It is a self-adhesive roll of mirror mosaic tile stickers. And they say there's 1,000 in here. And I've got a project I'm working on at the moment, which is one of those never-ending projects. I need it to end. So there it is there, and I think it's just got an adhesive background. So that's our little haul. Now off to make something. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing those little mini hauls, and in the next video, which I'm going to show you a sneak preview of, you'll see me unpacking and starting to use many of these items. So you'll get to see the teexpert resin leveling table set up and in action. I'll be unpacking and using the istoyo hand mixer, and I'm going to be giving you a little sneak peek of the BlossyB workstation, my faithful crafting companions, and whether they're awake or asleep, either. And then we're going to use those molds from Kmart, and we're going to mix up some beautiful colour and create some stunning pieces of jewellery. So, see you in the next video. Bye for now.